Hey there, and welcome to How to Guide Tech. Today, we're tackling how to record your extended screen using OBS Studio. Right now, I've got my phone set up as a second monitor, extending my display. Normally, when you open OBS, it pops up on your main screen and only records that one by default. But don't worry, I'll walk you through getting it to capture that extended screen instead. So, step 1 is simple. Just open up OBS Studio. Once you're in, step 2 is to right-click right on the Display Source in Sources tab.ig. You'll see a menu pop up, and from there, you want to choose Properties. That brings up a new window, which is step 3. Inside that window, you'll find where you can pick exactly which monitor or screen you want OBS to capture. Just select the one you need. I select my phone screen. Then hit OK. That's really all there is to it. Once you've done that, step 4 is you're all set to record whichever screen you like, including that extended one you set up. Hope that helps you out. If it did, I'd really appreciate it if you could give the video a like and maybe subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment down below too, saying you liked it so I can thank you personally. Alright, take care and see you next time.